Hi, Ana Sarabia here, your San Antonio Keller Williams trusted real estate professionals, coming to you today to talk to you about the necessary evil. And what I mean by that is, you guessed it, insurance. I don't know about you, but every month that I realize how much money I'm paying for insurance, whether it be insurance for the business, insurance for the house, insurance for the rental, the car, they really add up. And in essence, well, yeah, they're a financial burden. But guess what? Not having it would be a lot worse. So yeah, you hate it until you need it. And I don't know if you know this, but insurance company can't drop your coverage. I mean, they can be the ones deciding that they're not going to cover you anymore. If you let your policy lapse, that could be a reason why they would cancel your policy. And the problem of that happening is that finding insurance, after you let your policy lapse, it gets really expensive if you're able to get it. Sometimes they may even deny it. So keeping current your payments and your insurance is crucial. Obviously, using your insurance as maintenance. I have a lot of clients over the years that call me to say, hey, this just happens. Can I use it on insurance? Can I call my insurance, to claim it as an event? The problem is that every time you use your insurance that way, if you consider that insurance companies basically work on averages, and they know that on average, most people use their insurance once every 9 to 10 years. So someone that is, using their insurance more often or using it as a maintenance policy, they do run the risk of not only being denied the coverage, but having, the insurance company drop you off completely. So but not only that, there's something else to add to that. When you file a claim to your insurance, keep in mind that that's going to be part of the record of your house, just like your driving record. So if you're in the market to sell your property, let's say you don't even care if they don't renew your policy, but if you're in the market to sell your property, the new buyer is going to definitely get they're going to have to run a report on the house to make sure that the house is still insurable. So you could put in jeopardy the wholesale of your property, if you don't have a good pattern of insurance claims. Other things that can, make an insurance company drop you could be an old roof. I have countless clients, with older homes trying this past, race that we had. There was a lot of hail damage in roofs. And a lot of my clients, they call me and say, well, I'm going to try to call my insurance company to see if they will cover it. Well, yes, insurance will cover hail damage on a roof that was working and it wasn't, still in good condition. So older roofs, that they will, send an adjuster to make sure, that the roof, it's not that it got, you got leaks because of hail, but it was because of age. So doing deferred maintenance on your house, it's the best way to go. And I guess I would have to add to that every year. Life changes, your insurance needs change as well. So make sure that you know what you have covered, and if you had any changes, well, make those changes accordingly to your policies. And I've been gone through so many insurance agents, it's not even funny. And only to realize not too long ago, because I finally think I found the right one, but just to realize that as a landlord, for instance, I do, I feel safe because my rental property is covered, only to find out that the fine print of my policy reads that, hey, it doesn't cover metal roof. And guess what? My house has metal roof. So in the event something were to happen, I would be really in trouble. So all those little items, declaration pages for insurance policies are, longer than Lent. So it is a really important thing to have an agent that is going to walk you through the whole process, just like buying a house. It's the same thing. And I am a professional, and I finally find a professional that I would have no problem recommending. So if you're in the market for an insurance agent, just let me know. Anyway, that's all I have for today. If you have any real estate questions, if you need to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, I'm just a phone call away. And if you find this video useful, please be so kind to share. Thank you so much. See you next time.